Welcome back to Just Cook Damn It. Today I'm going to make a nice, quick, and easy stovetop lasagna. Let's get started. So what you want to do is you want to take a green pepper and dice those, a yellow onion, dice the yellow onions, and of course garlic. You already know how I feel about garlic. Take this mixture and place this in a pot with some olive oil on low or to medium heat. Next, you want to take your beef, ground beef, and your ground Italian sausages. Mix that in well together. Add in some Italian seasoning and brown. Now once this is browned, you want to add in some tomato sauce. Add in some parsley. Add in some beef broth. You don't want the mixture to be too thick. Some time. Let this simmer for a little bit, and then you want to open the pot back up and add in some baby spinach. Now this is me just taking the time out so I can keep my eye on it while I mix in the baby spinach. Once the spinach is mixed in, I just break some lasagna pasta dried and add it into the mixture and place the thyme back in. Put the pot lid on and let this simmer. So let's get started on the cheese. In a bowl, you want to add in some ricotta, Parmesan cheese, and mozzarella cheese. On top of this, I added some Italian sauce. On top of this, I added in some Italian seasoning. Mix this well and place that in the refrigerator. Let's check on this lasagna. So your lasagna is going to look like this. Let's start making our bowl. Get that ricotta cheese mixture out of the refrigerator. Make a ball of it. Add it on top of your lasagna. Sprinkle in some mozzarella cheese. Now all that's left is to take a spoon and enjoy. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and God bless.